Hello everyone, welcome to the video. So what we've here today is this Fasco Gulfstream ceiling fan. This ceiling fan I got out of the Habitat scrap pile with another one, and then Hunter Summit for scrap. And yeah, there's the tag, because I got a comment on my community post saying that this was a Halsey Builder fan, but there you go, it's a Fasco Gulfstream right there. There's your tag. Yeah, it didn't come with a mounting bracket. One of the screws was missing, and then the other one didn't have screws at all. Yeah, this thing's quite beat up. Pull chains ripped out of both of them. I want to say this one's probably the worst of all of them, and also has another long down rod, but yeah, this thing's a bit beat up. Yeah, I got spray paint on my hands, but who cares? Yeah, these blades are from a Gulf Coast Trinidad. I'm just using them to test it because these are the only blades that I have to fit this fan, because the rest are, yeah, I got a lot of things for sale on there on eBay, so, yeah, a lot of, stuff is, like blades, all that is in boxes, but, yeah. After I get the original blades, or, you know, somewhat close, I'll have a very special video coming for this fan, but, yeah, anyways, we will go to low. Here's low. I assume this one and the other one, I'd have to say they were installed in probably a living room with a very high ceiling. I don't know why Habitat scrapped them. Yeah, I didn't find the original blades, unfortunately. It was just what you see here. Same with the other one. I ordered a set of blade arms. That was only, I don't know, like $5 off of eBay. And that was a good deal. Just gotta find some blades cheap, because I don't want to invest too much money and time into these. But yeah, these came in a few different finishes. I know these they came in white, which this one's in, brass, pretty sure. Yeah, there's antique brass. I'm pretty sure I saw one in Verde on YouTube. There's many different finishes. This is my first, like, non-stack motor Fasco, because I have, like, the Charleston generations, the Old Souths, like, anyone with a stack motor and flywheel I have. I don't focus on these builders too much, like the Fasco builders. Nothing beats a stack motor Fasco. Here's medium. Yeah, it wobbles quite a bit. There's a dent in the canopy, too. There's just scratches everywhere. The blades are honestly worth more than the fan itself. But, yeah. Anyways, we'll go to high. Down rod, I want to say, is at least 2 feet long. Yeah, it's pretty long. The housing's bent. I don't know if you're able to see that, but it is bent. It's pretty decent for a builder, probably because it has outdoor blades on it. Don't know how well these would do if it just had a generic set of blades like the originals. Here's spin down. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. See you guys later, and goodbye.